In this video, we're going to see if this TRD style, this is a Tacoma original part, will fit with this front brush guard and replace the factory skid plate. So I think that this is actually designed to go over this one. Really not 100% sure, but there's only one way to find out. I got this for, I think, $49. It was used. It doesn't look like it was used, but it was listed as used on Amazon. It was missing one of these bolts and spacers. I was able to get another one from the seller for free, actually. So for 50 bucks, I mean, why not? Why not see how it'll look and fit up under there? So that's before. And let me set up a tripod and we'll see how it works, see how it installs. There are 4 bolts that hold this on. There's 2 here in the back and then 2 in the front. And that's it. There's these clips up on the front that I'll show you later in the video. It's what led me to believe that both are supposed to be installed together. You'll see I decided to not do that, but these clips is what I just lifted that thing off of, and it's super easy to get off. I mean, there's really nothing to it. Show you what this looks like with that off. Really just exposes everything. Torsion bar, got some hydraulic cables, and I put these 2 screws back in, this one and this one right there. This is where the other screws will go in, right up here, but the reason I put those in there is because it would seem, obviously the way that's designed, you're just going to slide that in and that'll help brace the back while you screw in these front ones. So let's see how that goes. Well, because of the Vanguard bull bar or front thing, whatever you call that thing, you can't just push this up like it was designed. So I had to fish it in from the front first and then put it back on, and there was enough room to get it, all the way tucked up in there, and then hook it back on the 2 bolts that I left partially in. So I can't believe it worked. Pretty cool. So up here, right there, I mean, this thing fits right in between the brackets perfectly. Getting some corrosion on this. I don't really mind because, kind of adds to the ruggedness, I think. May have a body shop sandblast this and coat it with like a rhino coating. I've had it for a pretty long time. It's a Vanguard, in case you were wondering. But anyway, that thing fits perfectly. Look at that. I can't believe how lucky that is. It looks pretty cool too. It's got these big openings for the hooks. Right there. Right there. And then from the side, I haven't tightened it up yet, but you get a whole lot more of the mechanical look there. That's pretty cool. And like I said, I have no idea if you're supposed to leave that on or not, but I think I'm going to leave it off. All right, this is what it looks like with both of them on. And because of the way that these hangers are designed, right there, See that hanger right there? I think that you're supposed to put both on, but I think it looks stupid. So I'm gonna take it back off. It just looks so much more rugged with just the one. So if you were wondering what it looks like with both on, well, there you go. I did a double install for you, and now I'm about to take it off. The holes that Toyota punched in the brush guard are oval shaped, so you can, if you don't snug them up all the way, you can wiggle this thing around and get it so it fits just right. This mattered especially because it's fitting up in between that Vanguard bar, but if you didn't have that, you probably wouldn't even notice, because it's really only about a 1/4 inch on each side that you can adjust it. But just so you know, you can loosen it up, get it perfect, and then tighten it back down. Also, I didn't use any particular torque on this. I just tightened it down to a point that I thought it was snug. I'm sure there's a torque setting, but I don't know what it is. All right, this is what you get. I think it looks good. It's different, cleaner, and it shockingly fits. Totally shocked that it fits up in there. So that's what it looks like from a distance. It's pretty cool. I think I'm pretty happy with it. It's, subtle, slight difference. I like that it's silver, I was considering painting it black, but I think I'm gonna leave it. I like it. In my next video, I'll show you how I installed these ratchet straps right in the bed wall. So you can see them right here, and they feed right through to the cleat. You can move that cleat around a little bit, back and forth, but most of the load is put right here on the cleat, and just a downward force on the ratchet strap, on the ratchet strap thing. Anyway, there's just a fender washer back there. I put 4 of them in, and I'm going to post a video next on how I did it. Came out really nice. So please subscribe. These are super functional, and you won't miss that upcoming video.